Good morning, folks. This is Hervé from the kitchen in Kawenko, the best place in the world. All right, so today what we're going to do very fast because the video must be fast. So we're going to do French, we say French bread. No, it's French toast. So what we're using for that, very easy. We're using the flaxseed bread. You can use French bread, but this is the bread that my wife does, which is the flaxseed bread. I love it because the seed is like hazelnut. Anyway, you have a knife. Okay, let's take out that. You need to go fast. So you need to cut 2 slices, but the slice cannot be thin. You know, it must be like 1 cm minimum to 1.5. Okay, so boom. Like we'd say, my friend, lovely jubbly. Okay, this was the English friend, by the way. So this is like that, okay? So your bread is done, okay? So take it out the bread. Then we need to make the mix. How to make the mix? It's very easy. 1 egg, you break the egg without putting the shell inside because it's not good. So you can see the egg is like this, okay? Then we're breaking the egg, so it's very easy, huh? Because if your wife loves you, she's making breakfast every day for you. So check in your life. She's doing it or not. But then, of course, today I make it because she loves me more when I'm the one who make. So cinnamon, a little bit. Come on, baby. Okay. A little bit of cinnamon. Look at that. It's very easy. Then the milk. Check your milk. Very good, because if you're using every day in one stage, okay, that's it. So that's it. A little bit of milk, egg, no salt, no pepper, nothing, no sugar. Okay. After that, boom, bada boom. That's it. By the time you fix everything, put back in the fridge. By the way, I give you a tips. Walnut, very expensive. When you buy walnut, some people don't know, but of course when you're pastry chef, you must know. Never put outside. Put in the fridge so that you can keep it fresh and you will say thank you to me. By the time you talk, you turn over your toast. Okay? Because everything must be gone. The 1 egg full must be gone. Then you put your fire. So you open everything. And then, of course, you forget that no more fucking fire because it's burned out today. Ew, Maya. So then you need to use because today is brown out, courtesy of, what's the name, baby? Help me, you are here. What's the name?
Batelec.
Batelec, the best in the south. Yeah, I know. We need to put the stuff. Don't worry. You know, I have a boss today. I'm the boss, but in a house, I have my boss. I'm sure, like all of you. So, first, the pan must to be hot. And then by the time you wait, you take your butter. So butter, just a little bit, because cholesterol and all. So, look at that. Only that. That's it. It's enough. Right? Then, put back everything. Then you turn back again 1 more time. Okay? It's at this time that you need to push a little. Push the bread a little so then it will take all the liquid. Okay? So like this. Look at that. Perfect. So we have our honey. This one is finished. And by the time the butter melts, okay, we throw the eggs, we're going to cut the banana. So, by the time everything is ready, you're efficient. How to cut a banana? Of course, you cut the banana in 1 time. You open it in 1 time, diva? So it's fast. Bingo, because you want to be efficient. take it out all of this, we don't see nothing. And then done. Okay, this one we turn, it's almost finished. Okay, boom, boom, bada boom. This is ready. So what we do is, cannot sleep on the stove because the guy is hungry. So 1, okay, 2, then we put the one on top, the rest a little bit on top, finished. So how to see that it's cooked? Very easy. We don't want to cook it too much, it's too hard. We don't want to cook it not enough because it's gooey inside. Okay, so you let it 3 minutes, then we turn it back by the time we fix all of the mess here. Okay, this one here, this one here, then we come back. We don't have the fork to turn it, no problem. We're going to do it with the knife. Up, bingo mango. Look at the color, beautiful. So now we take our plate. So you see the color, very important. Not burn, not, must to be like just a little bit butter, so it's not too much. No salt, no pepper, no sugar, because we're going to use a little bit of honey, organic honey. Do you understand honey? The situation, mommy? Then after that, boom, it's enough. We close it. And then 1, 2, very important, a line. And then you must to put your banana. So today we don't do a decoration, we're doing like the simple, because we want to be banana everywhere. Okay, like this, and like this. So we want to use everything which we cut, of course. We don't want to throw anything. It has to be efficient. So it's supposed to be normally the exact amount. Look at that. Okay. Then after that, we're going to use our walnut. Okay. So don't be be generous. Don't be a rat. Put a lot. Okay, like that. Because last time I make and everybody say, some people say, oh, it's very nice. So now, no excuse, you know how to do. So we open this because it's brand new. Where do we buy the honey? Where do we buy the honey, honey?
Santis.
Santis, we don't hear you too much. And then, that's it. That's it. Look at that. Oh, it's like heaven. And darling, can we go there to see where we're going to eat? Because, you need to enjoy, fully enjoy. So, nothing is ready. It's okay, I'm going to bring it back. I mean, look at that.
It's in the other side,
It's in the other side, over there, so it's too far. So let's put it here for now, for the photo. So this is our view, and this is a French toast. Peace!
Oh my God.